How can I generate the report card for a student who has left the school on SchoolPad?
Thank you for your query, Kajal ma'am. I will tell you how you can check this. Log in to your SchoolPad account, and from the menu option look up search for Print Report Card. Select the saved report card from the drop-down list. And then click on Select Class. Select the class in which the student was enrolled for whom you want to generate the report card. Now select the student registration number. And then select the term. Make sure to select Allow Inactive Students checkbox, as this option allows you to generate the report cards for inactive students. And then click on the Print button. And here it is, you have successfully generated report card for the student who left the school. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.